I would be very happy if we did goats. Yes! Yes! We go! We go, goats! Ugly Givra! Could you play Brig?
Together, we are
I
strong.
probably butchered that.
We just did goats last game and it was wicked good.
Do we have time to go on some rides? Flight to Duskwood is my
goats.
favorite.
Everybody's
We had a
super
goats
close
mirror
to your
match and it
line,
was great.
And it was on
Anubis.
Yeah, we just
It was a goats mirror match by accident too. Like we came out of the gates and it was just goats mirror match. Platinum Overwatch League.
Yeah. So everyone stay
My
super
shield's
close
up.
to the Rhine. Whatever he swings at, you murder.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Forward, my friends!
They are not goats.
Actually, you go super good against them.
That's more like it.
Follow Ryan, follow Ryan. Follow 3 seconds.
Oh, I keep getting pushed though.
There. Push, 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 push. On the Arisa, on the Arisa. Hug, hug, hug. Nice,
together,
we
stay
got
together.
it.
The Lucio, guys.
objective. Reinforce this position. I am
Lucio,
on
can you
fire.
pick us up?
Target eliminated.
For me, I got back spawn. Oh yeah,
Ah,
super
yeah,
Brian.
you got bad spawns.
Objective A.
Yeah, that's goats.
This is my guy.
Escort ready for battle. Charging up.
Giving you a little extra.
Thank you.
My ultimate is charging.
Congrats, this quarter, top left.
Here, let's, can we
Hold back.
take him? No, he get over.
Hold back.
Ooh, that's rough.
Give me your best shot. Don't go back.
Orisa's discorded.
Charge.
I'm going back to the...
Go. Maximum charge. Cease your
They're
resistance.
Anna's half, I grab.
Have Soundberry.
Back out. They're using a.
Maybe this good.
Let that boost wear off. They have Transcendence, which isn't gonna save them if we grab bomb. We can either kill Arisa or destroy her shield.
Ready for battle.
Thank you, my friend.
I can't heal
Try to
you. Keep
either
us in the
kill
way.
Arisa or destroy her shield.
We have to kill 2 shields.
My ultimate.
Kill this hog, kill this hog. Nice. Push in, keep pushing, I'm grabbing that.
Огонь по готовности.
Pass into the iris.
Nice right.
Love it.
He's discarded.
I'm gonna get our Ryan.
You guys can push ahead.
No, we need Ryan. Let's say.
Oh yeah.
I got him. I'm back.
We got a Pharah. We can get a Discord on Pharah. I can go for it.
Yep. There you go. Sorry, I'm not too Johnny.
Don't grab behind. Don't grab behind.
Arisa, no fortify, Arisa.
You guys are purple.
Experience.
Arisa's purple. Pulling in him.
Brig
There
low,
you go,
brig
it's
low.
on this pair again. Pair as well.
Give me your best shot. Let's keep this moving. You're covered.
Much obliged.
Ah, idiot.
Let's keep Devon card.
You guys are all piled. I'm having a hard time.
Chris, I'm
Oh,
way
I know. I was
behind
talking
you
to the
on
Honda.
charge, so you know.
push forward.
My ultimate is charging.
Yeah, come on, Ryan. Ryan, come on. Ryan, come on.
Ready for battle. Maximum charge.
Pharah and the sky behind.
Go.
They're all behind us.
Maximum charge.
I've been working.
Cars one
Get out
cart.
if you can. They used a lot of ults. Get out if you
Cars one
can.
cart.
Giving you a little extra.
They're down too.
Got the junk?
Cease your resistance.
I got them.
Готовности.
Oh, let's break it! Damn!
Maximum charge.
Okay, I got back.
There's one.
I'll take.
Wali on the wedding.
Chunk one.
Got the Ana down?
Chunk.
Activating self-destruct sequence.
Did we get it?
Yeah.
Alright.
69, okay. How was
Yeah,
the
we got it.
audio?
We weren't
Got
even in
lower.
overtime, so.
3-0.
Alright.
Switching sides.
Yeah. This is fun.
Prepare your defenses.
Love goats.
Select your hero.
Yeah, go together.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do
Goats
Anna for
again.
this one though.
Yeah.
Can I still play Lucio?
Yes, of course. Love the Lucio.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah. But so if you don't know this specific comp is goats, except sometimes it's either Anna, Zen, or Moira in that place. And it's all they do in
Together,
Overwatch.
we are
They're really
strong.
boring.
Oh, yeah!
But it's fun to do. It's fun when you're playing it, not as fun to watch.
Lucia, can I get a ride? I dropped the candy on the floor. I got distracted.
Alright, game face on. You fix it.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go out there and try and scout what they've got.
Hey, Nolly!
I think here's fine.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend
Same comp.
objective.
Goats with Zen.
Everyone ready?
Are they
Let's
mirroring?
do this.
Right up!
No, they still have a Hanzo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see the Hanzo, but close enough. Lucio behind.
Barriers on you. Give me your best shot. Don't go back.
My barrier. The best offense is a good defense.
That's me sleeping.
Maximum charge.
Sorry, I'm unmuted.
Charging.
My ultimate is charging.
Is that all we've got?
My ultimate is almost ready!
Get in there. Just a
They're
scratch.
playing back a bit.
Allah till men.
Give me your best shot.
Alright. I've got to grab.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Yeah. Downside.
I can't
is
combo
once
with you
Brian
yet,
dies,
Chris.
You lose.
My ultimate is ready.
It's alright. It's
Just
alright.
like
I was gonna try to stall as much as I can.
Rendezvous at my
It's
position.
alright.
Stop the payload.
Come over here.
Barriers on you. Go. Bring it.
Shield's taking damage.
The Hanzo's low.
My ultimate is ready. Come on. My shield's up. My ultimate is almost ready.
Grab or get ready to grab, but not quite yet.
Just scream when you get it.
I got it.
Break shield if you can.
Pass into the iris.
Now to show them.
Yeah, they grabbed us
Give me
first.
another shot.
gotta commit with her Ryan.
Barriers on me. Go. Ready for battle.
Whoever support needs the most ult charge can heal me.
Watching your back.
Come out and face me.
Don't start out. Give me your best shot. Just a scratch.
Just taking
I
that.
have found the enemy. Come and face.
The payload has reached
Ah, dang.
Bring it. Maximum charge.
Remember, right? Oh, I got a headshot. Yeah, we lost our front line.
My barrier's down.
Get back, just get back.
Yeah, just
everyone
get out,
back.
get out,
Group.
get out,
My
get out.
ultimate is charging.
Need to regroup.
I am still in the fight.
Nano boost almost ready.
My ultimate is charging.
Not as young as you.
Nano boost is ready to
Ready
deploy.
for battle. Not good.
I have a.
I have found the enemy. Come and face me.
Rally to me. Allah team.
Maximum charge.
Oh, let's
Oh,
break
nice,
it.
nice,
Damn!
nice.
Into the iris.
Once you transferred over, I'm grabbing.
Your best shot.
I grabbed them.
Огонь по готовности.
What?
Nice, nice, nice.
I can go to Moira too if you want.
No. Keep it with you, keep it with you.
Ryan needs a beat on me in the corner and
we
he
get it.
still died. I've got bombs, so if we can focus and put a lot of damage into Ryan's shield, I can bomb them.
Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Come on.
Unless our, maybe we could get like, never mind.
Giving you a little extra.
I don't know about that. Depends on if you can hit him or not.
You can charge Ryan.
I'm gonna think about throwing bomb in. Get ready. Bomb's going. Good job.
Sense one, sense one.
You're covered. Maximum charge.
My ultimate
Come
is
back,
ready.
come back, come back. That's the spawn. Ryan's in trouble.
I'm gonna help.
Go around and speed him out if you can.
I am. Okay, let's go.
Ryan, come back.
Barriers on me. Let's tickle.
Shield
Couple
only.
in 5 seconds.
Okay,
I have
Pog, we
grab
got
him. Ready? I'm gonna grab him here.
Огонь по готовности.
Push.
Allah team. Rally to me.
Огонь по готовности.
You might
Rip.
want to keep your
Sorry, the grab combo does too.
You're making this easy for me.
These wicked heals.
Yeah, let's
Practice makes perfect.
For a sec.
Giving you a
Go,
little
don't go fast.
Oh, let's break it. Damn! Vamos esculachar!
step off.
Ready for battle.
You need to touch that payload.
Let's tickle.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
Nice try. We still got more time.
Yeah, we have more time.
We got like twice their time.
Yeah.
We've got like
It's just
maybe
gonna be, it's
30
gonna
more
be
seconds.
like a 20-minute match.
Just
Okay, we
like
have
in
one
training.
Prepare your defenses. Select your
Defending
hero.
first. It's no
Yeah,
fair.
I was gonna say, I think a Moira would be really good right here.
Yeah, more against.
Yeah, they don't have a diva to eat your orbs, so.
I think it's whoever has the least amount of time is the one that plays what they just played first.
Mm.
So, like, say we
Oh,
had
yeah.
less time than them.
So yeah, they had less time, so they attacked. I didn't know that.
Together, we are
Maybe not.
strong.
I could be wrong.
I think it's just
Something like
whoever,
that. Whoever
has
has less
in
time
general
attacks
attacks
first.
first.
Yeah.
Raising the volume.
That way you don't spend 6 minutes defending and then just have to get a
Yeah.
tick on attack.
Incoming in 30 seconds.
Diva, have you seen the
Yeah.
scattered?
I was thinking about that the
No,
other
that
day.
is what I call
Like,
a
if that's why they did it. Because if you, like, if we went first, we could use the entire time up. If they went first and didn't get
I'm
it,
gonna
we could
scout
take,
them
like,
again.
30
They're
seconds.
probably gonna have that Hanzo.
Behind.
Sorry guys, my roommate walked in and I got really confused.
5, 4, 3.
Definitely a Ryan. Definitely a Zarya.
Attackers
And Ryan.
defend.
Brig, Zen, Hanzo. I don't know what the last one is. Probably Lucio again. Yeah, the same comp as last round.
Get in there.
Lucio's going
going
far
around
left.
Never mind.
He's coming back.
Give me your best shot.
With me.
Going left side.
Get in there.
Still very winnable. Run low, run low, run low. Break. Right there, break. Nice. Just Zarya, just Zarya.
Remaining.
No, we got a Hanzo too.
Oh, okay. Well, they're not part of
Okay,
it.
they're probably gonna go back and regroup.
I'll have a grab in the next fight.
I'm gonna taxi our
I don't
brig.
have self-destruct, just so you know. So
Guys, I'm
you'll
taxing
combo
our
in
brig,
one.
okay?
Actually, Reaper doesn't do as good as Ghost as you think he would.
This will restore you. My
Allah till me!
I'm ready to combo.
Grabbing pin.
I got the match. I got match.
barriers on charge.
They're in a personal.
Another victory! Just a little longer!
Need bomb on point.
Please do.
Overtime.
Yeah, win this. Push. You got this.
Wiek żywi, wiek
We must protect the objective.
Great.
Till me! Get behind me! Fire!
I'm gonna taxi Ryan.
Give it up.
Yeah.
They're gonna win it. We're not gonna get it.
I mean, you can still stall his best. Don't don't back out. We won't push in.
Stalling it
I don't know,
doesn't
there's no
matter.
point in stalling. We're in overtime.
Oh yeah,
We have
we're.
overtime spawns. Stay back.
I'm big
Stay
dumb.
back.
strong.
Come on. Come on.
I stand so that I can get more ultra.
Lost.
Hey, this way.
The
Well,
pain.
there's no way you can escape, then definitely don't.
Yeah, sorry, my bad.
Just group. We're in overtime. We have to be careful.
I know. I'm sorry.
In
I
overtime,
didn't
just
think
get a
about
good combo and we win.
With me.
We've got shatter, so if we make good use of it.
Alright, we can go over on right side. Let's push right side. Push right side. They won't expect this then. They have no bubble. Take it right. Oh no! Zarya's low.
Into the iris. Thank you, my friend.
Sorry, we got them to use their whole combo.
I love Sunbarrier.
This fight is not over.
Just stay back. We have overtime spawn. We can't risk.
Zen does not have
getting kicked.
transcendence.
Ready for battle. Anna checking in.
Ooh, that was really close. Alright, we go.
Game on!
Okay, let's.
How did they get a dragon so fast?
You're covered.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Allah till me! My
lost our target
almost
focus.
ready. Help me!
The payload.
Alright, back out. Run!
Don't worry, my friends. I am
Chris, we can combo and end it if we do it right. They might have beat though.
It's gonna be really hard for them to time that right though. So we should be fine.
Give me your best shot. Just a scratch.
No, Brian, we need you over here.
I'm ready when you are.
Have almost got it.
You're covered.
We'll need you to charge it right out of Shadow when we get stuff.
Lucio's behind.
Are you there? I grab him.
Огонь по готовности!
Into the iris.
Get through with it.
Damn.
A temporary setback. Help me.
Zarya's very high charge. Zarya.
По готовности!
我が敵を食らう
The payload is approaching its destination.
This fight is not over.
Round
Oh,
complete.
overtime is awful. We should have had a Zen instead of an Ana.
Score.
We need those transcendences
3
to stop their
6.
combos.
Switch
No, not that.
Yeah,
no, we
right.
goats. We stay goats. That's the only chance we get.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Goats is not gonna work very well against that. Or dive is not gonna work very well against that, I mean.
Together, we are strong.
A warrior's greatest weapon is patience.
Allow me to repair the damage.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Can we get the Brigands of the Mara? Thank you.
Thank you.
Left side or main or what?
Wherever runs you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Stick with me, and I'll cover you.
Get behind me.
I will shield you. Ready for battle. Not good.
Right side, right side.
Get in there. Best shot.
We got stuck here. Yep. Brigand.
You feel that?
Yeah, it's if they get that stun on our right.
Just like in training.
I made it out with like 8 health.
My ultimate is charging. I have found the enemy. Come and face me.
I'm back in my mech.
敵を食らう
Split up. They're pushing.
Barrier is healing. Barrier destroyed.
Not good. Barrier activated.
I gotta pick up.
Group up with me.
Ready for battle. Is that all?
Lucio's up here with me. Please kill him. Thank you very much for helping.
We gotta pick. Let's go.
Sorry, you need to watch out.
Ryan, why?
Give me your best shot.
Zarya, the personal.
Sorry.
Apple, thanks.
Tranquility.
I didn't realize.
I ate it.
I'm grabbing them.
Огонь по
Lucio's discarded.
готовности! Seconds remaining.
Not Lucio. One's a hunter.
Triple kill.
Thank you.
Puzzles one.
There we go.
Thank you very much.
Ready to initiate zone.
Is that a shatter that let that all happen?
Yeah, potentially. We might not
Shatter.
need the shatter, but still. This might grab
I was gonna ult, but we already had the team kill.
Escort
Yeah,
the
I had to grab
payload.
them.
Go ahead.
I
Kyle,
ate
go with
the,
the team.
I'm
Kyle,
sorry,
go,
I
go, go,
said
go. Go, Kyle. Go, go, go. Now's the time
30
to
seconds
double.
remaining.
No, go, 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 go.
Should I bomb? Should I bomb behind them?
Yeah. We can initiate with bomb.
Bomb going out.
Push. Run. He has no shield. Run.
What?
Okay,
well, let's just make sure we're second payload this time. Anybody near it?
Yeah, cart.
Yeah, get to cart.
A temporary setback.
I'm trying, they're all there.
Roll it to me!
Yeah, okay, we want you to go forward. That's that far forward. I love it. Not into their backline. It's unfortunate that we were up against like the Smurf. Well, four
Play
Smurfs,
of the
I'm
game.
guessing.
No, I think they just they played against our comp well.
Quadruple kill.
I know, it was just, Zarya was setting them up to grab combos. A lot of it.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
we
know, the
grabbed
Ryan,
both
they
of
weren't
you and me,
making,
and
the
we're
Ryan
not
was,
Smurfs.
yeah.